So you're eventually going to have this happen. Usually it's in lab. It's usually just 2 seconds before your program is done, that type of thing. That's what they always tell me. And that's the server crashes on you. It's not your fault. There's a couple of easy ways of recovering from this, and I want to point out 2 ways of that for you. So if you get this fatal error, if you're a Windows user here, we're using PuTTY, you'll see this sign or the dreaded inactive portion of this. Now, not all is lost, but still, a couple of things. A lot of people are going to close down their windows and everything. You don't need to do that. All you do is right-click and restart the session, and it'll, well, do just that. But there's also another feature that you need to know that's happening behind the scenes as you're coding in Emacs, and I'll show you that here in a second. So behind the scenes, as you're writing up your code like that I have here, there's an important feature called, well, autosaving. And autosaving is, I think you can figure out what it's doing. But here's the important part, is how to identify it. So in that directory, now you're going to see 2 files. The original file that I was working on, and then the saved or auto-saved version with the hashtag or pound symbol in front of it. So if you happen to come back, everything dies, you restart the window, and you at least see the auto-saved version of it, and you want to use it, I would go ahead and do this. I would have it move, pound symbol, tab, and then actually go ahead and put it into Scheme. Oops, too far. And that just renames it back to the original file so that you can go ahead and Emacs your Scheme and go ahead and reopen it, and that should be the latest version of this. So just some helpful tools and tips running behind the scenes for if the server crashes in the middle of your lab.